Okay. And here again you can see these blood vessels here, the inferior vena cava and the aorta, right? And the blood vessel taking the blood to the kidneys, the red one here is called as
Afferent.
renal artery.
Sorry about
And
that.
the one which is collecting blood from the kidney,
Renal vein.
vein. And again this tube is
Ureta.
why there's a time lag between I ask and you reply? Why there's so much time lag? Okay. Now here are the different parts and this capsule. Inside the capsule, what is this area called?
Cortex.
Cortex. And then this part is
Medulla.
medulla. Notice that medulla is not kind of continuous. So each one looks like a pyramid. So these are called as medullary pyramids.
Pyramids.
And between the medullary pyramids, renal column. Okay. And then you have this area which is called as pelvis, right?
Pelvis.
This area which is curved like a bean, right? Curved inside, where all the blood vessels go in and out, ureter goes out. That curvature is called as
Hilus.
hilus. Okay. And
So why is it up here? Not down here.
okay. And then you have the urine flowing from here. This part here is called as papilla. The papilla, I told you in the lecture today, right?
Yeah.
And from papilla it goes into
Calyx.
which calyx?
Minor calyx.
Minor calyx. This is minor calyx here, minor calyx here. And minor calyx is joined to make
Major calyx.
major calyx. Is that okay?
Okay.
Major calyx. And major calyx is joined to make
The high, the
Pelvis.
pelvis.
and pelvis goes into
The ureter.
one more time. From this medulla
Okay.
towards the papilla, right? And then into
Minor callus.
minor calyx, then
Major callus.
major calyx, and then
Pelvis.
pelvis, and then
Ureter.
ureter. All right. Now let us do the blood vessels. And look at in your handout. Okay. The blood vessel which is taking the blood into the kidney, what is that called?
Afferent.
Afferent is for the nephron, right? Afferent is for the nephron. It is called as renal artery in the kidney. And in each kidney, how many nephrons?
1 million.
1 million.
1 million.
One kidney is sufficient to survive. Okay? Lead a healthy life. So renal artery divides into. You have that name in the handout. Do you see where it is? Near the bottom of the page? Okay, renal artery. There is a renal artery and there is a renal vein, right? Similarly, you have segmental artery, segmental vein. And then from segmental, the next one is lobar. Lobar. And then from lobar, between the medullary pyramid, in between interlobar, in between these medullary pyramids, interlobar. And then it goes around like an arc between the medulla and the cortex, right? And what is that called? Arcuate. From the arcuate are branching out into cortex, interlobular. Okay. Sometimes in some books it is called cortical radiating arteries, where they radiate like that into the cortex. But I think your book uses interlobular, so use that. Okay. And from each interlobular, now you see this tiny sphere-like thing, each one of these is glomerulus. So from here, interlobular going into the nephron, into the glomerulus. Now comes your favorite. What is it called? Afferent arteriole. Afferent arteriole. Let us do this here now. In this one. Can you tell me what this is?
Cortex. Cortex. JG.
Nephron.
This is just a detailed portion of this thing.
Oh.
Yes.
There was no exam today. Why are you feeling so tired? This thing is the capsule.
Capsule.
Capsule. And this part is the cortex. See this line here?
Yeah.
Is the cortex. And then below that is
Medulla.
medulla. All right. Now, this is one nephron here, another nephron here, third nephron here, right?
Right.
Parts of nephron. Okay. Two parts, main two parts. This part is called renal corpuscle.
Sorry? Okay.
Is that name in the handout? No. If not, you should add that. The renal corpuscle. And the second part, like a long tube, is called as, what is this part called? This is the part, right? Renal corpuscle.
Proximal.
And this is one part, right? What's the second part of a nephron?
Proximal convoluted.
Renal
tubule.
tubule. So renal corpuscle is here. This is renal tubule. Okay. Now in the renal corpuscle, there are two parts, right? This is shown in detail here. Two parts. One part is outer part is this part is Bowman's capsule, and this part is glomerulus. Glomerulus is a network of blood capillaries, right? Blood comes into the glomerulus. See, it shows red here. So it tells you this is the afferent with an A,
Arterial.
bringing it in, and the one that taking it out is
Efferent.
efferent. Afferent artery, right?
Right.
Not right. It's not right. It's not afferent artery. It is
Arterial.
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 It's afferent arteriole and efferent arteriole.
Okay.
Okay. Bowman's capsule, which is capillaries. Now, in the Bowman's capsule, I did not give you this name in the lecture today. I mentioned that in the physiology. These special star-like cells here are called podocytes. P-O-D-O.
Podocytes.
Podo means foot cells.
Okay.
But it should be in your handout. Podocytes. Is that what the glomerulus thing is? It's not there?
It's yes, it is.
Okay. Podocytes, foot cells. They help with filtration. And now, if you recall, what is this space around the glomerulus called?
Capsular space.
Capsular
Space.
And this is Bowman's capsule, right? Is that okay? And what is starting here?
Proximal convoluted tubule.
Proximal convoluted tubule,
Tubule.
which is a part of renal tubule, right?
Yeah.
So this is the beginning of renal tubule.
Tubule.
Okay. Now, to know which one is proximal, which one is distal, which is descending limb, which is ascending limb, always start from this Bowman's capsule. Start here. See the ring?
Yeah.
Because urine formation starts here, right? From here it will go into this part, right? First part here. So what is this first part here?
Proximal convoluted.
Proximal
Convoluted tubule,
Tubule.
PCT, right?
DCT.
And then follow that. Now in the exam, how do you know which one is ascending, which one is descending, right?
From the
So you
proximal.
have to start from here, right?
Yeah.
Starting from here, the first one is
Descending.
Descending.
Descending
and
limb.
the second is
Ascending limb.
of
Loop of Henle.
Henle. And then it goes into this part. What is this part?
distal.
DCT.
Distal convoluted
Tubule.
tubule. And nephron will end here. Okay. Then this distal convoluted tubule will open into what is the white thing here?
Collecting tube.
Collecting
Duct.
tubule or duct. And this will not shown here many collecting ducts.